Imagine organisms that don't rely on oxygen to breathe, but instead generate electricity to survive. Recent research has unveiled such remarkable microbes that thrive by exhaling electric currents. Species such as and have long been known to transfer electrons to external surfaces, even metal oxides, while growing in oxygen-limited zones. This electron transfer allows them to produce a small but steady electric current. These microbes utilize molecules like naphthoquinone to pass electrons to their surroundings, effectively generating energy without traditional electron acceptors like oxygen. This process is akin to how a battery releases current. The ability of these bacteria to produce electricity opens doors to various applications. They could enhance wastewater treatment by removing pollutants while generating electric signals, or improve biomanufacturing processes by balancing electron flow in real time. Looking ahead, engineered microbial communities might maintain their own flow of electrons feeding into sensors and energy devices. Such systems could be invaluable in environments where oxygen is scarce, like underground or even in space.